In the Victorian beach suburb of St Kilda, Studio Bright has transformed a classic Californian bungalow into a residence that honors its heritage while embracing the future. Known as Local House, the project preserves the original structure's character while introducing a contemporary two-story addition to the rear. This design isn't just a white box extension, it is a thoughtful architectural gesture that fits seamlessly into the local fabric, offering a sense of fulfillment and style tailored specifically for the rigors and joys of modern family life. The architecture is defined by a philosophy of robust beauty. Built to withstand the inevitable knocks of a busy household, the home utilizes off-form concrete to create a heavy, durable base. Yet, within this strength, Studio Bright has woven moments of genuine delight and surprise. A floating staircase serves as both a spatial divider and a bookshelf, while vibrant pops of yellow in the kitchen joinery and ensuite tiles provide playful bursts of energy. From concrete joinery that doubles as a seat to the use of recycled fence posts for formwork, every detail is designed to be both functional and enchanting. Connectivity is the heart of the home's layout, particularly in the kitchen and dining area, which feels more like a garden pavilion than a standard interior. By shifting the new volume off the side boundary, the living spaces are bathed in sunlight and flow directly into the rear garden. Here, the material palette of black ceilings, red brick, and raw concrete allows the interior to recede, emphasizing the outdoor connection. Practical family touches, such as walls treated with whiteboard paint for neon-colored lists and notes, give the space the casual, bustling energy of a local neighborhood cafe. The project's innovation extends all the way to the rear boundary, where the house treats the back laneway as a second front. A flexible studio garage replaces the typical backyard shed, designed to engage directly with the laneway community through open sightlines and a dedicated neighborhood seat built into the concrete joinery. Above, a decorative timber screen filters dappled light into the master suite, mediating privacy while offering distant views over the St Kilda rooftops. Through this blend of intimacy and openness, Local House stands as a testament to how architecture can foster social interaction both within the family and with the wider neighborhood.